Wow. Very nice. Amazing specimen. Nice, nice. Stay still. Very nice. Good, good. Oh, what you looking at, baby blue? Looking all precious and lovely. Katt Williams gonna snap the beauty out of your soul. Oh, you got some children? Oh, let me snap the precious little baby birdies. So precious. Hey, bruh, what you doing looking at my kids? Oh, excuse me? I said, what you doing looking at my kids? Sir, I'm taking pictures of all the birds in the area, not just your children. Man, I think you need to get out of here or we have a problem. I ain't going back to taking my pictures, Mr. Birdie. Dr. Birdie. I got a PhD in whooping ass up in here. Look here, man, my probation officers told me to get a hobby, get out of the streets. Stop doing comedy for a while, do something more respectable, to get my mind right. So you thought taking pictures of my king was a hobby, huh? Man, you a pervert, bruh. I seen your comedy before. You ain't even that funny, man. The animal kingdom don't want you around here, bruh. Damn leprechaun. Bitch. Oh. There he is right there. Oh, shit. Okay, little bird. Sure. What? Okay. You got me. Uh-huh. Get here off of me. Get out of here, Francis. Boy, your name is Francis. No wonder you got all this anger in you, boy. Whatever, I just proved I could whoop your ass, though. Yeah, with the help of your dumb ass, weak ass, no need having ass, big, no education having ass, worm eating, ugly kids having ass, family